Hello and welcome to our A2 one bedroom, one bathroom floor plan. This is 707 square feet. The kitchen is located near the entrance. It's nice and open. Stainless steel appliances, under cabinet lighting, and plenty of cabinet space. This floor plan does come with a stackable washer and dryer, as well as a coat closet. The living room area is nice and open, plenty of natural lighting, plenty of wall space for paintings, pictures, murals, as well as access to the outdoor patio area. That comes with a storage space as well. The bathroom is nice and open. Here we have your bedroom area. Nice and open. Has a window that looks out onto the patio, as well as a walk-in closet. Again, this is our A2 floor plan. Please visit fremont9.com for all of our pricing and availability.